guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be continuing my fall decorating series, and this will be part 2. Now my sofa is all clean and fresh, so we're just going to add some fall pillows throughout the length of this sofa. All of my pillows have pillow covers on them, and all my pillow covers come from Amazon. So let's get this sofa looking great for the fall season. So now I have installed both of my outside pillows on the sofa. Now these pillow covers are a taupey wheat color, and they're great for the fall season, and they're really great for any time of the year. So now I am going to be adding some additional pillows, and I'm going to add 2 more. So this is the next pillow that I'm going to be adding. I'm in love with this pillow cover. I think this color is absolutely fantastic for the fall season. So let's get these added. I absolutely love this color, and this is also a pillow cover. They come in different colors, and now as I look at this, I'm thinking I probably should have got these in a 24-inch. But the tan one, this pillow cover is 24 inches, and this one is 22 inches. So I'm gonna add 1 more pillow in the center, and I think it's 18 inches. So let's get that done. So I've added the pillow in the center. So this completes the number of pillows that I'm gonna put on this sofa. And the little brown one is I think it's a 18-inch pillow cover. And so now I'm going to add a throw to this. So let's get that in to place. So this is the plush throw that I'm thinking about adding, because it has that mustard yellow. It ties in the browns, the creams. And I purchased this from Ross maybe a month ago. And as you can see, it was only $12.99. It is a 60 by 70 inch, and it is buttery soft. It lives up to its name. It's definitely buttery soft. So let's get this into place. So I decided to change the angle of my camera, and I'm just using this longer lens so you can see how I ultimately place the plush throw. And instead of swaddling it up there, I decided to let it be straight, and I decided to switch out my pillow. I am going to be using this pumpkin pillow, so let's put this into place. Okay, this is what it's going to look like, and I'm not going to promise you guys that when I do my fall home tour that this sofa is not going to have some changes to it, because I'll probably change it out. Because I'm looking at these pillows here, and now I'm thinking that I should have got this in a larger size and took this particular color here and put it here instead. But either way, I love the combination of colors blending for fall. So this is what we're going to go with for right now. So now we are going to clean this coffee table and get it decorated for fall as well. the wall. Now right here, this is the artwork that I had on the wall. So I am taking this down because this is more summer related. I usually don't change out my artwork just because the season changed, but this time I am going to do a little something on this wall. So we're going to replace this with a more, I don't know, fallish type artwork. So let's see what I come up with. Okay, so right here I am doing the tape method to know how to center this artwork on the wall based upon the hooks that are here. And so I'm going to go ahead and mark this out, and hopefully this works well. So now I am going to take my dried hydrangeas and I'm going to make a floral arrangement to put on my end table in the living room.